horses out. We have Looney Tune. That's the begin. Moving up in between horses. Substantial because of you. Then followed by Formidable Ella Best Arta. And Pew and Par between is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have Looney Tune by Olalang Kanehapa. A Substantial in second, alongside third because of you. Best Art is racing in fourth. Then comes Formidable Ella and Pew. And Par between is the early trailer. Now we have Substantial. Now takes the lead by about 3 for Balenka. Looney Tune drives back in second because of you. Formidable Ella Best Arta. Pew and Par between is racing in Nasa. Arestel Substantial by about 3 lengths now. Looney Tune in second. Formidable Ella moving a party outside. Best Start is running by Andrella. Then comes because of you. Pew and Par between is racing in Nasa. As they come down at the last 100. We have Substantial by about 7 lengths now. And in second, moving up, Best Art because of you, Looney Tune. Getting some problem, Formidable Ella. And nearing the finish line, it's Substantial. Second is Best Art because of you, Looney Tune, Pew, and Par between.
27
ang forecast.
forecast na